My name is Chelsea from SIB Visions, and today I'm going to show you how to create a data model. To create a data model, you can use an existing screen or a new screen. I'll be creating a new screen to store important data that I will name Employee. After clicking Next, I will choose the layout, in this case Empty, and further Universal Layout. This will give me an empty screen. At the bottom, I can add some data model. I can add an existing one or create a new one. Again, I will create a new one by choosing the last option. Here, I will enter the fields I want to show for each entry. I want the first name, last name, date of entry, vacation days per year, which is entered as an integer. I also want whether the employee is full-time or not. Here, the data type is not correct, so I will choose from among the many options. I want a simple yes or no. Next, I want the salary. I will also change the data type here to currency. Lastly, I want an image field. Then I will click Finish and the data model is created. At the bottom of the screen, I can now choose one of these fields and put it on the screen. For example, I will add the first name field. And that's it. Thank you so much for watching.